Hey, I'm Matt Stiller, Vice President of Sales at RimRiser, and we're proud to be this year's lead sponsor at the PNPCA Winter Meeting. We don't have to tell this crowd that precast tops and metal castings are solid and built to last, but that also means they're heavy and cumbersome and difficult to set to grade. RimRiser is the solution your customers are looking for. Show them how you can save them time and money with a safer and more accurate installation process. RimRiser makes hitting your grade easy as turning a screw. Metal castings and precast tops can be adjusted to grade by one crew member safely in less than a minute, without pry bars, shims, or heavy equipment. How does it work? Here's how it works. Along with D&L Foundry, RimRiser offers a wide selection of manhole frames and inlet grates. Slot nuts are inserted into the cast-in slots. This ensures that the threads are not impacted by grit or debris while on site prior to installation. Jack screws are threaded into each slot nut, and the frame can be raised to the appropriate grade with a cordless drill. Incremental adjustments are possible, and no shims are required. Precast tops are adjusted in much the same way. Jack nuts are cast into the top at your plant using custom-made pocket formers designed and supplied by RimRiser. Jack screws can lift thousands of pounds, so the heaviest top can be adjusted to grade safely by one crew member without heavy equipment. Once set to grade, precast tops and metal castings are finished with grout, which provides the necessary support for H20 or greater traffic loading. Municipalities are recognizing that RimRiser is a superior method of installation, not a fundamental change to precast or metal castings, and we're gaining agency approvals every month. Contractors agree RimRiser is a superior method of installation that saves them time and money while increasing accuracy and safety. The most common question we get from the field: why didn't anybody think of this 100 years ago? RimRiser is innovative, inexpensive, and easily integrated into your manufacturing process for any precast or metal casting application. Catch basins, inlets, manholes, water quality vaults, or utility vaults. To learn more about RimRiser, find us at rimriser.com. Contact us today for a virtual or outdoor, socially distanced product demonstration at your facility. We look forward to working with PNPCA members to help you bring an innovative and safer solution to your customers that will save them time and money. RimRiser. Simple, fast, accurate, easy as turning a screw.